Welcome to the Pro Sheet Gantt Chart tutorial. Let us explore the features and functionalities of this Gantt chart. The Pro Sheet Gantt chart is a powerful tool designed to provide crystal-clear progress tracking and keep project deadlines in sharp focus. When you open the Gantt chart, this is the interface you will see. This is the home sheet, which offers easy navigation buttons to access different sections of the Gantt chart tracker. For instance, if you want to view the dashboard, simply click on the dashboard button and it will open. To return to the home sheet, click on the home icon provided at the top. The home sheet contains the following buttons: Home, Instructions, Dashboard, Settings, Gantt chart. These buttons are also available on the left side for easy access. Let us begin by exploring each sheet one by one. First, we have the Instructions sheet. This sheet offers clear guidelines on how to use the tracker. It includes general settings and Microsoft Excel settings to optimize Excel for efficient operations. A back to top button is provided at the end of each sheet to quickly return to the top. Now, let us move to the dashboard. The dashboard provides a comprehensive overview and analysis of tasks within the Gantt chart tracker. It offers the following insights: start date and end date. These fields display the project's time frame. Total number of tasks. For example, in this case, there are 23 tasks. Task status breakdown. This includes the number of tasks that are not started, completed, ongoing, canceled, tentative, and billed, along with their respective percentages. Additionally, the dashboard provides information on tasks assigned to managers, displays how many tasks are assigned to each manager by name. Tasks completed by managers, shows the percentage of tasks completed by each manager. Month-wise number of tasks, indicates the distribution of tasks across each month. Next, let us explore the settings sheet. This sheet allows for customization by enabling you to define essential project variables, including category, variables such as planning, setup, design, development, testing, documentation, training, handover, and others. Status, variables like not started, completed, ongoing, canceled, tentative, and billed. Manager, lists the names of different managers, which can be modified according to your requirements. Any changes made to these variables will automatically update in the Gantt chart. Additionally, you can adjust the project start date and project end date to align with your project timeline. Finally, let us move to the Gantt chart sheet. This central sheet serves as the visual heart of the tracker, displaying all project data in one place. To add new data to the sheet, follow these steps. Task name. Enter the task name, for example, conducting user training. Category. Select the appropriate category, such as setup. Status. Choose the current status, such as open. Manager. Assign a manager, for example, James. Start date and end date. Input the start and end dates for the task. Duration. The duration in days will be calculated automatically. Progress. Update the progress percentage, for instance, 100%. The Gantt chart will visually represent the timeline of the task, highlighting the time frame from the start date to the end date. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on the Pro Sheet Gantt chart.